What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2022 Toyota Supra. This will also clear the maintenance required light or the maintenance past due message that you may be getting on your dash if you're in need of an oil change. So the first thing we need to do is put our Supra into diagnostic mode. So how we're going to do that is without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop start button quickly 3 times. And now we're in diagnostic mode. You can see there, diagnostic mode active. So then what we're gonna do is use the odometer button, this little button that you see down here in the corner. I'm gonna press and hold this button down. So press and hold that button down. And continue to hold it down until we get the engine oil reset possible. Go ahead and let go of that button and then press and hold it down again. And then it says reset question mark, let go of the button and then press and hold it down again. And then once it says reset in progress, you can let go. And as you can see there, the reset was successful. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.